Okay. I didn't talk. Y'all. Okay guys, welcome back to Aunt B's Kitchen, and today guys we're gonna make us some nice steak, butter garlic steak. And what we're gonna do before we do all of that is we're going to, I'm just putting oil on here so that my seasoning can now stick on there. And I'm gonna call off the seasonings what I'm putting in here. You all can put it to your taste. But I'm putting some lemon pepper in here right now. Because see, this what this has to do is it has to marinate. So I'm doing lemon pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, and it looks like a lot, but once you marinate it in, guys, it's going to be fine. And now we have some roasted garlic and herb. Now we're going to add some soy sauce, guys, and Worcestershire sauce. Well, W sauce. Everybody have a problem with saying that sauce. And we're going to marinate this in our bowl here. We're going to let this sit, marinate in our bowl for about 12 to 15 minutes. This has been marinating for like about 5 to 6 minutes. So what I'm going to do is just take a little sugar, and you can barely see the sugar, a couple of pinches of sugar, and put over the steak. And guys, I'm telling you, this is not going to be sweet, because remember, we got that sauce from the soy sauce. Gonna help this with a nice crust. Let it marinate for about 10 more minutes and I'll be back. I'm gonna make the butter, garlic butter paste. So what I'm gonna do is I'm putting a little, as much as you like, because guys, guess what, parsley flakes is just to make stuff pretty, but I also put a little rosemary leaves in there too. And just a little. And now I'm going to add my garlic. And we're going to get this all combined up in here. And this is what's going to go over the top of the steak. Alright guys, so the steak has been marinated. The butter has been made. What are we waiting on? Let's head to the stove. Okay guys, now we have the pan oiled. And we're going to start putting our steaks on. And remember, we marinated these for 20 minutes. So now we're going to start turning these over. Oh yeah. Yes, indeedy. Yes. So now it's up to us to keep our eyes on the prize here. I'm going to let these cook a little bit on this side. And start putting some of this butter over the top of it. Just a little at a time, guys. Halfway through, I poured off a lot of that oil that was left on there and then cleaned the skillet and put it back on. So now we're going to get a really deep grill on it, and then we can start putting that butter over it and basting it in the butter. Alright, we'll be back. This is a New York strip steak. So this right here is just about where I need it to be. Alright guys, we're going to let these steaks rest for at least about 10 minutes. Under some foil, and we'll be back. And here you have it, our garlic butter steak. We have grilled onions, broccoli, and cheese spaghetti. And just let me open it up for you guys so you can see. And it's well done. So listen, let me taste a little piece just so I can see what's going on here. I'm gonna taste this steak for y'all. I can't talk. Y'all. Y'all, I could not talk with that big old piece of steak in my mouth. This steak was so tender. It's very good. Follow this recipe. I'm telling you, you will be amazed that this is so good. So listen, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Aunt B's Kitchen. May you have peace and have a nice day.